Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch The Three speaker. So this is the generation 1, the OG, the original. This is not the 2, this is not the Plus, anything like that. This is not the GVA. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or is not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset will fix a lot of those issues. The other reason you might want to do this is just if you want to delete the pairing history, clear out the settings, and then basically set the speaker up like it's a new speaker that's just coming out of the box. We can do that very easily. The first thing you want to do is just go on your phone or whatever you've had it paired with in the past and have it forget this speaker. Then what we're going to do is we're going to unplug the speaker from the wall and from the speaker itself, the power cord. So unplug it both from the wall and the power cord and the speaker. Then you're going to go ahead and plug the power cord back into the wall, but not into the speaker. And then we're going to come and go to the source select button right here. We're just going to press and hold the source select button. And then once we press and hold the source select button, we're going to plug the power cord back into the speaker. Just holding the source select button until all of the lights go off on the speaker, at which point we can release the button and let it do its thing. It will turn back on and we can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker.